Of course, hindi naman ako makakabul kay Sisi Jaco, di ba? So, of course, it's my time naman to shine. So, thank you. Ayan. So, actually, just a little bit of context lang kung sinare ni Jack kanina na hindi ko siya binigyan ng permission to share. So, but nung meron na nagka 1 million views, I think that was after week 1. Nung week 2 na, parang na-start na akong nag-pressure. Kasi diba, parang sa sarili ko, magaling naman ako kasi diba yun yung masasabi ko. Maling pala kayo. So yun yung parang like, diba sa mga power, ay sa mga content charts, sinasabi naman na maganda yung content ko, yung aesthetic, blah blah blah, but bakit parang walang results? Yun yung parang, sabi ko kay Jack na, Sisi, maling ba kayo? Totoo pa talaga to. So, napakaganda talaga ng sinabi ni Jack sa akin, no? Sinabi niya na, sis, isipin mo na mga prutas tayo. Diba? Ikaw mangga, ako apple, yung iba lansones, yung iba avocado, yung iba hugis mangga lang. And then sabi niya na, hindi tayo lahat nag-bloom in one season. And totoo naman talaga, di ba? Merong season ng lansones, merong season ng avocado, merong season ng mangga, pero hindi sila sabay-sabay. So sabi niya, yung mga naka 1 million views CC, baka mga munggos sila. Sorry. So, putting aside, yung idea... But yung idea doon is, di ba, like, parang meron tayo, we have our own timings. And parang yun yung, grateful ako kasi someone was willing to, like, tell that to me. And yung wins ko ngayon is, yun nga, like, I'm continuously receiving feedback from all of you sa mga contents ko na parang, like, you enjoyed it. And yun nga, like, parang before, ayoko sa namunta ng live day ko kasi nahihiya ako. Kasi mga sinungaling kayo. So, yun nga, like, nung nagpunta ako dito, gusto ko lang i-shout out if ito si Doc Chart sa Zoom, yes. Parang, she offered that she will be 4 hours of her VIP hours para sa akin papunta doon sa House for 8 days. And then si Mariel naman, diba, sabi niya sa akin na like yung sa Feb 20 ata yun, diba? Na parang we will do again, kami tatlo ni Doc Charles. And yun yung wins ko na parang like the support that I'm getting from all of you doon sa mga contents ko and yung support that I receive ko from my teammates are really like yung win because, di ba, sabi nga ni Jack na even if we will not have the 1 million views, but the bond that we have, the moments that we were able to share together, yun yung parang importante, di ba? But of course, 1 million ako, di ba? Kasi sa lahat naman ng mga sinasabi ng mga posts, ng mga ano, di ba? Of course, kaya natin to. Hindi tayo pinalaki ng sex bomb. Para kayaw. Diba? Kaya go na lang. Diba, sis? At yun naman po.
Palakpakan namin, John Mayer! Okay guys, just wanted to let you guys know if in case always go back to this framework, are you doing it correctly or are you doing it consistently? Most of the time, nandito lang yung sagot na yan eh. And again, sobrang layo pa ng graduation. It's gonna be March. We still have a couple of weeks left. And do you want a good news? Kadamihan ng results namin na nagkaroon ng 1 million views was after the dive day. Yes. And you want to have, you want to hear better news? Yes. Kahit hindi ka nag 1 million views, you're enough. It's okay. It's a bonus. The goal is not the 1 million views. The goal is the person who you are becoming. It's just a bonus. This is actually the person, the character you're developing. the person na nakikilala mo during this challenge at mga nakilala mo sa tabi mo. Yun yung pinaka takeaway. Cool? Last, Ellie, let's go.
Okay, so yun po. Again, my name is Ellie. And yun nga po, no, siguro I just want to share this talaga, no? Kasi sa amin talaga, ako personally sobrang rare kung sumali sa mga ganitong klaseng ganap. And we've been building technically yung how we do things in real life since 2022. So talagang ilang taon na puro IRL, puro engagement sa labas yung pinaka ginagawa namin. And so far naman nakita na namin na parang, mukhang this time, mature na yung relations and we want to build it on the next level. Ngayon, parang nakita rin kasi namin na, sige, kilala ka nila in real life, pero the moment na, kumbaga, ibalanda mo online yung kung sino kayo, and wala kang number to back it up, parang yun naman yung naging stopper namin sa site na to. And yun yung actually pinaka-reason kung bakit kami sumali sa Kraken. Kasi from that, dito, the win-win po actually is dahil doon sa full commitment ng team namin sa
Anong team ka?
sa site po ako ng Stormbreak.
Nakikinig ng Stormbreak.
Ayan po. So, coming from that po na may pattern at may system na, and yung tracker po na pinakamahalaga na naisabuhay namin sa company namin per se, we were able to create po ng 20 videos. Talagang literal, araw-araw po kami nag-post. And yun nga, initially naman, dahil doon sa in real life na engagements namin, we found the communities naman na kung saan kami na-connect. No? Kasi I think, yun din po yung isang piraso na kailangan natin ma-realize na yes, we are creating content, but we need to fit it organically doon sa mga communities na involved tayo. So parang kumbaga sa amin, na-build namin yung relationship with the people na we were able to engage. Binalikan namin sila na, guys, may content kami, may mga updates sana kami na sana masamahan niyo kami sa journey namin. So yun yung nangyari na dito man, hindi pa man kami nakaabot ng 1 MU sa isang video, pero collectively po, nasa 741,000 views na yung totality. So yun lang po yung aming message.
Thank you very much, Ellie. Thank you for inspiring these people. And sobrang ganda nung sinabi niya, isa sa mga tactical advice ko is that join nyo ng groups, share yung video nyo doon. Actually, yun ang ginagawa ko before when I was starting, like way back 2023.
Bagal.
Yung ginagawa ko, talagang share ako sa groups. And actually, nakakatulong talaga siya. Specifically yung groups na within the niche. So, very, very great advice. So, later on, don't worry, we will have lots of time to share. Huwag kayo mag-alala. So, are you learning so far?
Yes!
Okay, cool. So, ito lang, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, ha? Average people quit at rejection. Winners pay it like tuition. That's why most people never graduate. Understand that. Be willing to pay for the tuition nyo. Yung everyday na ginagawa nyong content, yung mga nakikita nyong tao na nagkakaroon ng result, for sure, sobrang dami nilang ginagawang process. Cool? So later on, mamaya nga po, when you go back, our mentor coaches will have specific activities